Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Vizio TV to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to turn on your Vizio Smart TV. Afterwards, you need to press the menu button on your remote. So as soon as you do this, you are going to see the network settings on your TV. So inside the network settings, you need to choose the option of wireless. When you do so, your TV is going to start scanning for the available Wi-Fi networks. So among the given Wi-Fi networks that you see, you just have to look for something that says Xfinity Wi-Fi or Xfinity. So when you are able to find any of these in the list, you just have to select it. At this point, your TV may show that it is connected, but there might be one other step. So Xfinity hotspots require a login page, and that's where most of the people get stuck. So when it is connected successfully, Vizio TVs usually don't open the page automatically. So you can simply go to the apps section. After that, you can launch any of the streaming applications, or you can try signing on your TV on any of the websites. For example, let's say you can try signing on Xfinity, and as soon as you do this, your internet will be activated and it will basically work smoothly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.